Hey guys, Sony Gamer here, 514, and today I'm going to be showing you a Minecraft video that it might be coming at like 5 o'clock or probably 4. As soon as my brother's phone charges, he's going to record it for me and send it to my iPhone. I'll definitely put it on YouTube, and I'll show you how to get iron ore, coal, in just one world. One seed, one world. I'll tell you the seed, I'll tell you everything you need to know just to get that. Iron ore, you get like 50 iron ores just from one game. I got 50 and I made like 10 armor just for me. I didn't have no one join my game, so basically this is for me. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how to get iron ore, coal, and other stuff. Okay, see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.